Okay, so I've seen this used to knock these short boards out of a floor, but I don't think I actually have the right bit for doing it, but we're gonna give it a try anyway, just to see how it works. You can see that that didn't work quite like I had planned it, but it definitely took it out. So if I get the right bit, I think we'll be, when I saw a guy do it, he actually drilled a hole and he had a blunt end, and it seemed to knock those out of there pretty easily. Let's try this other chisel tip. That's actually a big lifesaver. Now I can feather those down, feather these in. Maybe I'll take out one more right here. Okay, let's do the other side. That's all cut.
That's pretty cool.
Well, that's better than doing it the other way.
Yeah.
That works.
That's cool.
Yeah, just to get them started.
Faster.
Way faster, and it's easier than using that big mallet.
Is it not too bad on your hands?
Well, not as bad as that mallet. Okay, the rest of these I'll do in a traditional type of a stagger. I think I'll cut one right there. I'll cut one there. And I'll cut one right there. And I'll leave that one full length. So then these ones here, cut one there, and I'll leave that one, and I'll cut that one there, and I'll leave that one. Then I'll stagger these down. I'll go boom, Boom. And I'll leave that one on the end. We'll go 1. Two, and leave that one. And there you have it, nice staggered feather. So I can start installing this, combining this hallway together. I'm gonna do the other side and get back. Okay, so we have our feather cut on both sides here. I didn't do the last two over here because this wall is actually gonna be removed before we do finish this project. And we're gonna be tying this floor all together inside that area. But for right now, we're just working from here over and getting this entryway done. So you can see my feather is done on both sides. Now we're gonna see if I can take a straight board and run it all the way across there and see how we turn out. Here's basically the first row. And, you know, I'm sighting down that, and you know, that's not looking too bad. It's looking like we're gonna line up pretty damn good. So I'm gonna get a straight edge and nail that down, that first row. Then we can go two different directions. Pull up to this wall and start installing that entryway. And on into this bedroom back here. Okay, so to get started on this floor, we want to start right here. If you notice on these, you want to always start, if you look at the direction of that flooring, the tongue and groove is going that way. So we're going to start at the furthest most point that we can, and we're going to start one in from the wall here, and that's where we're going to put our first row down right there, and we're going to connect the two floors together. Then we're going to slip tongue this. We're going to slip tongue it right here, or spline this, and put in the next row, and we're going to glue all this together, nail it down, and then we can go two different directions. We'll be going this way and that way. My pieces here. So I'm going to use this little piece of trim here. I've already checked it. It's really straight. I'm going to use that to connect the two pieces here. So first piece, this first row, I'm going to glue down with liquid nails. Stick that in where it goes. Tap the tongue and groove together. That. I'll glue down the second piece. Like that. Now there's a few different ways you could do this to get this nice and straight. You could put a string line on there. You know, I know these floors don't line up just perfectly, but I want it as straight as I can get it. So that's where this piece of trim is going to come in. I'm going to lay that in there right along that tongue and groove. And I'm going to pull that to where that is as straight as I can get it between the two floors. And that's going to be the line I'm going to go with. You know, you can even double that up. I picked all nice straight boards here, so you could double check that with a nice piece of flooring too, right there. Now I know I'm pretty straight between the two floors. Nail it down. I'm just going to face nail that first row. Now we're started. Now comes the slip tongue. I'm going to glue these two together right here. So for that, I'm going to actually put some glue all the way down this row. And for this, I'm using yellow glue, Franklin Titebond. Get a couple of slip tongues. Stick those in the hole. There. I'm going to go ahead and put some yellow glue in the other tongue here. Tap that into place. That. Then your next piece. There it is. So in those, I will not face nail. I will only use the tongue and groove here. Okay, so now I am ready to lay down paper in this area and that area and get ready to install this floor.
Like that.
Okay, that's going to conclude this little video. This is just a little repair video, a preliminary to, you know, the whole project here. Like I said, this project is going to take us a couple of months, so I figured I would show a couple of the little processes along the way. All right, over and out for now. If you see anything you like, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.